This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Here is an announcement. As the number of COVID cases are on the rise again, we appeal to our listeners not to lower guard, to follow all the precautions, and all those above 45 years to get vaccinated without any hesitation. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. And now, the details. In Meghalaya, fresh restrictions have been imposed by reducing the number of persons during any religious, social and private gatherings from 75% to 50% of the seating capacity, as well as in places of worship, spectators in outdoor sporting events and cinema halls. The restrictions issued by the state government came in view of the increasing number of COVID-19 positive cases in the past few days. Meghalaya recorded 87 new positive cases yesterday, taking the number of active cases to 270. This is the highest number of new positive cases detected after many months. The government has also asked all shops, establishments, restaurants and bars to shut down by 9 p.m. every day. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will interact today with governors and lieutenant governors regarding the COVID-19 pandemic. The interaction will be held through video conferencing. Last week, the Prime Minister held a meeting with chief ministers on the COVID situation and stressed on the need to create micro-containment zones to effectively contain the rising cases of COVID-19. The governors and lieutenant governors meeting is significant as the centre is intended to involve all stakeholders and leave no stone unturned to check the sudden spike. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said that the government has no plans to impose countrywide lockdown amid the recent spike in COVID-19 cases in the country. She said that the government does not want to totally arrest the economy and the second wave of COVID-19 will be handled through isolation and quarantine methods at local levels. The minister stated this during virtual interaction with the president of World Bank Group, David Malpass, yesterday. The minister also shared the measures being taken by the country to contain the spread of the pandemic, including the 5-pillared strategy of test, track, treat, vaccination and COVID-appropriate behavior. In Manipur, 26 new COVID-19 positive cases have been reported in the past 24 hours, raising the number of active cases to 118. Meanwhile, 11 COVID-19 patients were discharged from hospital during the period. The total number of positive cases is 29,540 and 29,046 total recovered cases. The recovery rate has dropped to 98.32%. No death was reported in the past 24 hours. So far, 96,966 persons, including 32,060 health workers, have been vaccinated in Manipur. Nagaland reported 11 new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. With this, the total positive cases in the state have increased to 12,427. In addition, 3 positive patients, 2 from Kohima and 1 from Dimapur, have recovered from the infection, taking the tally of recovered cases to 11,995. The number of active cases has increased to 174. So far, 83 persons have died due to the infection. In Meghalaya, the Border Roads Organization yesterday restored the traffic movement via the Bailey Steel Bridge at Dwar Ksuid in Bhoi district on Shillong Bypass after the bridge developed some defects 18 days after the bridge was opened. Deputy Chief Minister in charge Roads Preston Tinsong said that the problem occurred not because of the poor quality of work and it could be due to the movement of overloaded trucks. He said that the State Transport Department or police should ensure that overloaded trucks are regulated and the load of any vehicle should not cross 40 metric tons. The steel bridge was inaugurated on March 25th. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.